Hello, hello, what up, everybody? It's good. This is Robo, your guitar instructor and music producer at Sound Factory Studio. Today, I want to talk about something. I want to make movie soundtrack themes or sounds for suspense or for a scary scene. So, I'm going to use my voice to imitate animal sounds in a beat I have already made. Let's get to that. Now let's add one more woof sound. Good. Now let me create human breath. Let me create a human being freezing in the cold. Now, the final thing, I'm going to create my voice using it to do bird sound like a scarecrow or a crow in the wild. Good. Now, the final thing, I'm going to use my guitar to create some sounds for scary or fearful scenes. Let's get to that. Great. Now let's listen to the whole thing I made right now and see how it sounds. I think this is beautiful. What do you think? Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy this. Please, if you enjoyed it, subscribe to this channel and share the links to others. If you have any movie production that you want us to work on, I can work on it for you. If you want any beat production or music that will take you places, contact Sound Factory Studio. See you next time. Bye.